So I wanted to share some answers with you that you couldn't check when you submitted that teacher-made document. It says for A and B, show what numbers you multiplied and divided together to get the result. So it says show that the expected number of rabbits who eat carrots. So rabbits and carrots right here. Show that it is 26.9. So you need to have the column total and the row total is 5270. So 70 times 50, and then we need the overall total down here. So 84, 130. I did it quick. Hopefully that's right. Okay, so 70 times 50 divided by 130. And there's your 26.9. So when it says show that, you can't just take it off of your calculator. Show that the expected number of hamsters who eat lettuce is 21.2. So hamsters and lettuce is right here. So 32, that's 60. So I need to take the row total and the column total. So 46 times 60 divided by 130. $21.2. So you're verifying, and so the same thing over here. You just got to get your totals if you want to verify. The other ones on the front page you should be able to check with the answer key. We ran out of time a little bit on the back, so I wanted to talk about this and make sure you understand, because this is what you'll be doing for your IA. So basically, you are tallying in this table, okay? So you need to know what the mean value is. And I sent the mean value to you guys. I put it on an email. I also put it on the announcements and on the main page, so that you could finish this without having to enter all those in your calculator. But I wanted you to understand where it came from. And so the mean value of weights was 44.96. And so the reason you need that is when you're going to make your tally, you're going to take, that's for this below the mean, above the mean. And then you have pocket, standard, and extra large. And so they give you the ranges of values. Pockets are less than 42. So not equal to 42. So basically these all right here are pocket. And then standards are 42 to less than 50. So all of these are standard. And then XLs are 50 to 58, including 50. So this is the extra large dogs. And so then you're going to tally as you go to fill out your contingency table. So for instance, this is a pocket dog that is less than the mean. So you'd make a tally mark there. This is a pocket dog less than the mean. Pocket dog less than the mean. If you get down some of these down here, there's a few pocket dogs that are greater than the mean. So like this one is a pocket dog. The average is 40, or the weight's 46, so it's above the mean. So tally would go there. 41, 45. And so you're going to tally these values up. And then if you want to, before you go on, if you want to check the announcement I put, or back to the original assignment, you can see this table to make sure it's right. Because if this table is wrong, then all these other calculations. The last thing I wanted to show you on here is because it's numerical, you can also do an R value. So you can enter the heights in list 1 and the weights in list 2 and do a linear regression. with list 1 and list 2 and get an R value. So this is an example of data where we could do chi-squared and linear regression. So we can see if they're correlated or if they're independent. They might be correlated and not independent, or the other way around. And that could be the same thing that happens with your data.